Hey everyone, my name is Vince Rowe. I am with Korbyt. We are here at Zoomtopia in San Jose. Korbyt is here because we are the only digital signage CMS provider that is available to you as a Zoom user in the Zoom marketplace. And what that means for you is you can now utilize that existing hardware that you've already invested in to publish content to it. So as you can see here with our screen, we're utilizing this as just any other digital signage player. But how we're doing that is you access our application through the Zoom marketplace, you download it onto that hardware that's, again, already existing in the space, and now you can start publishing content to it. It's as simple as that. And the benefit here is that you're already invested in this space and in this hardware to a point where now you need to be able to maximize that investment, right? So while it's not being used for Zoom meeting, it's available for use for content like announcements, event information, safety messaging, any kind of information or content you want to get out to the individuals that are in that space while they're waiting for their Zoom meeting to start. So where you can access or find more information about Korbyt is either through the Zoom marketplace or reach out to us at korbyt.com. We look forward to being able to connect with you.